What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. So I know this video isn't about anything super hyped. In fact, I know that I haven't completely convinced you guys on penny loafers yet, but man, I'm gonna try. I picked up a second colorway for the Aimé Dore penny loafers. I got the all-white suede version the last time, and although I love this pair, I did want something a little more casual. The suede on this pair could feel a little too formal sometimes. Plus, the colorway on these brown joints are just way too clean. I've worn these a couple of times now and I like them a lot. Anyways, let's get right into the styling, guys. 3 ways to style these Aimé Dore penny loafers in brown, and then we'll get into the details and sizing advice towards the end. For look 1, we're channeling the Aimé Dore and Martin Greenfield collab. Martin Greenfield is a family-owned tailoring house in Brooklyn. We've got this double-breasted Zara blazer in white beanie, Aimé Dore and Martin Greenfield collab tee in dusty orange, an opening ceremony and Dickies collab pinstriped pants, with the Aimé Dore penny loafers in brown. Recreating the suit look with a little street style twist. Next up for look 2, vibing off the brown tones on the penny loafers, we've got an Aimé Dore white logo cap, Carhartt and Wacko Maria collab jumper in brown, white tee for the layering, COS cream denim, and the Aimé Dore penny loafers in brown. Lastly, for look 3, for those errand run kind of days, we've got this Aimé Dore long sleeve tee in green, Gucci denim in a light washed blue, Aimé Dore Yankees cap in white and navy, plus an Aimé tote bag as well, one of my favorite bags lately. And finishing it off with the penny loafers in brown. Alright, now let's get down to the details. We've got this clean white and gold Aimé Dore box, a little black dust bag that comes with 2 Aimé Dore branded pennies, really nice touch, a white dust bag. Now getting into the loafers, we've got a hand constructed cowl leather upper, contrasting cream and brown leather, a leather sole on the bottom in black, cowl leather lining on the insides, and Aimé Dore branding in gold on the inside as well. As for sizing, guys, these fit massive. I'd recommend following your EU size for the most accurate sizing. I'm an EU 42, so I went with the US 8.5 on these. As a reference, I'm usually a US 10 or 9.5 in Nikes. I definitely recommend sizing down at least 1 full size if you're gauging by your US size. I hope I've convinced you guys a little more with penny loafers in this week's video. Although slightly pricier than your average sneaker, the quality on these are pretty worth it in my opinion. You're getting that hand-constructed cowl leather that is gonna age in really nicely the more you get your wears in. As I've said, I've already purchased the white suede pair previously, but I've actually been enjoying these leather brown ones much more. I find these a lot easier to style and have a much more casual, chill vibe to them. Really great for your summer, spring, or even fall time fits. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and styling. Let me know which is your favorite look. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love, guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.